Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat and fix, sign, destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Siram Ndombi Yasebebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Such a cold day, Jams. Oh, it's not cold, it's just raining.
Yeah, kuyabonakalisa ukuthi umsebenzi wethu siyawuthanda.
Ne?
Yeah.
The fact that we're waking up.
Under this weather,
Yo,
we should be indoors,
I know.
snuggling,
Watching TV.
doing Netflix things.
Literally Netflix, not the synonym.
The synonym. Here's another
Guys,
synonym.
hey. Hi, how are you? I'm good, my scat. Listen, I go around asking couples questions. Would you guys mind? Just a couples quiz, Nyana.
No, I'm not.
Come closer. Awufuna Oh, mind. Come closer. Saying out your mind. Come on my left, my lady. No, on my right, you find there. Okay, name?
Yud.
UD.
Yeah, Yud.
Sorry?
Yud.
UD.
Yeah.
Okay, and?
Z.
Z. Z, how long have you known UD?
8 months.
8 months.
Yes.
Still going strong. Kamini fucking sorry.
Ask this.
8 months.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay. Where did you meet her?
I'm to the city Tuesday and then it's a hlangana. Yeah, I'm boning a low symptom of born now and it's
Yeah, but where did you meet?
ShopRite.
Oh, okay. And what were you doing on ShopRite? Buying groceries?
No, nanifuna nje i-cosmetics and yabo asembhatale like
Oh, wow. I'm sorry, my scat, you said your name is?
Z.
Z. Okay, that's cute, UD. Okay, and then he pays for you, and what does he say after? Does he ask for your number?
Yes, obvious.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, wacela inamba ke sazama ukuthetha. So, but ndangekho interested wethu ngalolu hlobo. But ke lazama umamela.
Uh-huh. So what made you interested after not being interested?
Bepholile nje bomfana okhulu.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. UD, what is it that you like about Z?
Yeah, mamere and then behamba one so aphethe kabuhlungu kumele ngibe gentleman ngimphathisa yabo.
Uh-huh.
Then nami ngizimele intombi enhle isithando sami lesi.
Okay. Z, what is it that you like about UD?
Ngithanda ukuthi uhlukile, akathanda ithomi, sento unexesha lami, attention yakhe ndayifumana anytime.
Oh, perfect. Okay, aphinda provide ubhuti. Icutie bosilandeleyo usayivu.
Save.
Zinje thina sisokola. Yiwe indoda wena.
Kakhulu shame.
Okay, I like that. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
100%.
100%. Awushine 1 or 2 for disappointment. Uyamthemba 100%.
100%.
Yeah. You rate her on a scale of 1 to 10. Umthemba kangakanani?
Ngithi 65% ngiyakhe.
Uh-huh.
Then 30 nginika mina ukuthi no bona since meet 8 months manje
So awumthembanga as such. So umnike 6.5 out of 10 basically. Okay, leaving 3.5 for disappointment. Damn. Okay.
But ngiyamthemba ubebe because mengikhuluma naye nje sometimes ngibatshela
Come closer, Yuzi.
ngibatshela Sithando.
Angazi.
Uh-huh.
Ngiyamthemba ubebe.
Okay, guys, let me tell you what we do on the show. Now, we basically make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. Would you guys be okay with it?
Yeah, I'm not alright.
All right, is it?
Ngikuqabele ba Msithandwa iphesenti yami engawa. I don't know ukuthi izobamba kumanje but iphesenti yami iyawa manje.
So Zulisa, oh, I hope you're not deleting stuff.
Not it.
Your phone is fine. Let's switch. Do you want to switch? Yay, we're switching. Okay, it's fine. Okay, can I have your phone, Z? Actually, let's start with yours. So just open it for me. Passcode, password. Okay, thank you, Scott. You to go to her. Go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Type. Does she type? Do you guys when you guys chat on WhatsApp? You speak. What language do you speak?
Zulu.
Kodwa Dlamini incompetent. You speak Xhosa and Zulu?
Yes.
Okay. Type ke. Ndiyakuthanda. Actually, just type Tanda.
And okay, Tanda.
Okay. Isn't that you? Is that you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Delete that.
Okay.
Type Kumbula.
KH Kumbula. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. What do you see?
Sarambana Mina.
Okay. Okay. Delete that.
Sure.
Type Woza.
Oza. Sure. Consult. Alright. Sharp. Yeah, Oza ngimshayile. Oza ngimtypele.
Kaloku, what do you see?
Amathi ngibona nje me.
Okay. Delete that.
Sure.
Type Akekho.
Akekho. Yeah.
What do you see?
Ngibona mina.
Okay. Delete that.
Sure.
Type Miti. Ndimiti, but just type Miti. MIT.
Ndimithi.
Just Miti.
Okay.
Because kaloku ikaza Zulu or Xhosa, so it could be Ndi or Ngi. So just type Miti. You'll still find it.
Mithi, sure. You. Okay. Vela mina.
Then can I meet her now, guys? Hey! Ikhona la nomtha bendikhe meet in the right ngoku. So I'm not gonna touch too much on that because it's private. Delete.
Okay, sure.
Hey Z. Okay. Type Ebusuku.
Ebusuku. Oh, Ebusuku. Yeah.
Okay. What do you see?
Yeah, so ngibona mina.
Okay. Okay. Delete that.
Sure.
Type Enkosi.
With Enkosi, okay?
ENKOSI.
Okay. Enkosi. All right.
Right times what to see? SIC. Delete the C. Enkosi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, zizobhala Unkosi. Like with King.
E.
Yes.
N.
K.
O.
O.
SI.
SI.
Okay. Because that's a girl's name. I don't see anything dodgy. Weird.
Oh, no, cousin wakhe lo.
Okay. Hi, she's clean. Give her back her phone. Thumbs. Passcode, password, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Right, my sketch. Okay. Go to his stand. Go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type Tanda. See anything dodgy? Naman bonindo fun. Okay, delete that. Type Kumbula. What do you see?
Ndiyamazi. Ndiyamazi uSibusifo. Uma wakhe lo.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Delete that. Type ngiyabonga.
Ivela abantu abaninzi apha.
Go ngena kwigama lingathi suspicious.
Siphokazi.
What's happening? What is she thanking you for, Siphokazi? What are you thanking her for?
Hayibo.
You disibona izinto apha.
Hayibo ndiyalingwa. Hayibo.
Sibona izinto apha, come closer.
No.
Hayibo.
Auntie, why you isithike lapho? Siphokazi. Then zange ngitshele ngeSiphokazi. Siphokazi nje i-vocalist yami.
Hayibo uSiphokazi nenza sex. Hayibo i-vocalist isex ke ngoku iba mnandi xa wenze njalo. Kwenzeka ntoni apha? Hayibo. Hayi ndiyalingwa.
What is happening, Yuti? Give me the phone, my schedule. Don't want to switch off.
Siphokazi. Baby, why ufaka uSiphokazi kule nto yonke siyenza?
Hey, sungiqhela ikaka wena, sungiqhela.
Siphokazi.
Bani uSiphokazi?
Siphokazi. I-vocalist yami Siphokazi. Ngisho ngicela abangisebenza nabantu abaninzi mina. Sebenza nabantu abaninzi phela ngicelele abanye abantu nje my friends wami. Then uyazi ukuthi ngise-studio sometimes. So ngimeet abantu abaningi. Then Siphokazi is one of the vocals.
Okay, ke ngoyisex ngenaphi?
Sexy.
It's on the phone. We saw it on the phone.
Ukuthi uyadlala sisakunama.
Oh, boring. Masifonele uSiphokazi. Maybe uSiphokazi will tell us what's happening.
Siphokazi nje last Friday benginaye yakazofaka ama-voice then separate but except you ngoba sometimes usually uthi
Pho wayibonga isex ke. Wayibonga isex ke buye ke. Wayibonga isex. He.
Vocalist yami Siphokazi.
Isex nansi nje wena.
Umuntu webhense lo. Hayi ngiqala umuntu webhense lo mos. Hayibo.
Baby.
Tell me to I got what I needed.
He. Hayi ngenzela umlenze nje mos.
Khoneli mbuzise ukuthi yini mina naye.
Hi, can I speak to Siphokazi?
Hi, speaking.
Hello, Siphokazi, right?
Sharp, wena.
Right nami. Ngicela ubuza uyamazi uSanele?
Yeah, ngiyamazi. Why?
Uyintoni naye neza ntoni wena naye nidibanisana?
Oh, he is my boyfriend.
Hey.
Ungusanele ukhuluma kakhulu ngokusithi.
Hafu uthe
Ukhuluma kakhulu kusanele endlini.
icela ubuza ninexesha elingakanani nijola? Ninexesha elingakanani nijola?
It's been a while, you know. Why are you so interested in my business?
Hey, hayi ndiyalingwa.
Hey, it's been a while.
Hayi.
Nangu Sanele. Oh, afuna uthatha ne-girlfriend yakho.
Sipho. Sure, all right. Sharp. Then
Baby bona. Ungasendela imali ne.
Yo, hayibo. Imali nisendelana imali,
ngizokufonela late phela ngisesenenkinga manje ima kancane. Sekhuluma ngizokufonela late sharp sure.
Hey. Okay.
uyikaka yenja uyeva? Uyikaka.
Lo muntu ngisebenza
Uyikaka, uyeva?
Yeah, bese
Uyinja.
dala lo muntu singasathanda manje into siyenzayo sihlanganisa nje lokhu sihlanganisa.
Yile lo muntu ba uthini xa
Baby, imali, ntontoni.
Baby. Kodwa ngicalele baninzi abantu ngihlangana nabo.
Intoni yakho mna?
Wena ngisithanda sami.
Santoni?
Uyazi ukuthi uyi-one baby.
Yasungiqhela kakhulu.
One empty.
Amfuna izi.
Themba mina uthembela ukuthi sahambe hle.
Futheki man, futheki ndihamba nawe ndiyaphi nawe?
So you're done.
Mina ngihamba yisha.
Bye, Felicia. Sidingi. Z, are you fine, my sketch? You don't need transport.
Mfethu,
Oh, lo
andiyazi yo. Hey, hayi yo.
Uhambe ne-umbrella yenu ke ngoku.
Hayi andiyazi bani. Yo abafana kanti banjani?
Izinonsense zabantu abafana abadoda. Xolo mayisikhathi but at least you know the truth ngoku yebo.
Yho mfethu bendimthemba yhu
Wena ima bekunika imali njengayo enika uSiphokazi bekunika imali wena.
yho mfethu uyandisokolisa uyandinika but funeka
Ucenge ubhale i-affidavit.
ndimcenge okanye ndimbonise uba okay kumele senze kanjani like ndize neproof uba ndiyayidinga imali for into ezithile nezithile ukuze akwazi uyikhupha otherwise akayikhiphi nje imali.
Yho, I'm sorry mayisikhathi ndithini ke ngoku you need transport. Are you right?
No, ndiyayidinga i-transport.
Okay. Okay, Scott, let me close, né? Let me close. I will give you transport. Just stand under the tree there. Come closer, Penda.
Side lami lungafika.
Uyayiva ba?
Uyayiva ke ngoku.
Uyivile ke ngoku. Amadoda. Also, what language did that nigga speak? Because I only figured out later by Ngati, okay, he doesn't understand English. But then his Zulu is also horrible. He's not well articulated. He can't articulate himself. I'm just like, dude, just speak your language in there.
Nama understand ukuthi yiphi language
So you expect, you understand him to just speak English all the way as
the Englishized.
So it's like, nigga, what language do you speak?
Xhosa sivuki. Oh yini sana. Wathi lingathi amadoda hayi wonke.
Of course not.
Uzosho njalo because usuyajona. Uzawuvumelana nami.
No, guys, not all men. I was agreeing with a woman who's scorned.
Okay.
You understand? I have I kaloku.
Hayi wonke amadoda.
Mhlawumbe you're incompetent wena ne-umbrella.
No, ngifuna ukuveza ubuso bakho babona because mangithe kanje siyafana ngebani. But I know.
Okay,
Ubuyela
Charles.
ubhoni buyavela bonke yazi unuka kamnandi ngathi imbali yase Checkers.
Thank you, Dlamini. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. Guys, also, I wanted to take the time to explain how we actually get the couples because I was watching one of my episodes, I think 2 days ago. And as a viewer, I was just like, it's so weird because it's like you and I chat for like 2 seconds and then say you a couple. So what we do is we go around with the bus. We've got a company minibus, right? We look for couples using the bus. But couple, sometimes we'll drive maybe 200 meters away from them or like in front of them. So Malinda Glonda, where we can quickly put on our mics and station ourselves and then we'll wait for them just, you understand? So by the time they get there, we're ready, basically. Do you explain it, okay?
Yazi ngathi pizza ngena avocado.
So when you watch, I know it's weird that me and Dlamini speak for like 20 seconds. So if you get a couple, yeah. So I wanted to...
Setshenzwa. Yeah, it's
So I just...
admin.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to explain that to you guys.
Yeah. Ningadideki.
Nigga, be confused, man, guys.
We drive around.
Yeah.
See.
Yes.
Masbabona, we park in front of them, then we wait.
Yes.
That small chat.
Yeah.
By the time they get here, Cesare.
So I hope you guys get that.
Morning King was DM.
King us email this phone. Yeah.
Oh, Lulu.
Okay. I think we're done, Dlamini.
We are very much done.
Okay. Why are you always in a good mood?
Me angazi ngadala I am always in a good mood.
Okay, Basket, let's close. It's time to go home.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Oh, that's more kuluma. Yabona more kuluma. No.
Hello. We good, ninjani na? Asibuklukanisa bakwaZulu, sibahlukanisile.
Baba wami. Phinda ungabi nomona, bethi abantu bekhuluma nathi awusabavezi. Phinda bethu.
Niyayibukela Sunny Show. Ayikho intombazana seyiteste. Sifone. Ayikho. Nyani mayisikani. Hayi ke azomazi ke. Niyayibukela kanti show.
Hey kakhulu.
Nyani.
Kakhulu zathi unkosikazi kusho ukuthi ufuna ukubona ama-tricks okuchithwa kanjani.
Anisicheki nifoni.
Hayi asicheki.
Ningasicheki tata. Umshado wakho.
Ngiqala ngisho ukuthi mina nanomazi Ntanda bonkosikazi ngangcono sihlukaniswe ukuthi ngalile sihlukaniswe into ongayazi.
Yes, nokukhupha.
Yebo.
Nkosi tata.
Siyabonga.
Sebenza kahle.
Ngicela ukumhlika ngikena.
Okay.
Yebo unkosikazi. Oh ngisimela kasekanjani? Ufuni.
Uli akekho kuphi? Akekho. Kasebenzi namhlanje.
Yusa.
Bye.
Danko.
He knows everybody knows
Yeah.
Vusi, knows Vusi.
Uyayibuka.
Nah?
Uyayibuka.
No man, that's so cute. It's
Abantu
nice.
esikhuluma ngabo.
Guys, it's nice when we see you outside.
Siyabonga.
Siyabulela
When you
kakhulu.
see us, nithi hello.
Yes,
Uthi hello. bro.
lingasoyiki.
Lingasoyiki.
Yeah.
Asoyiki.
Asoyikeki.
Oh,
And asibaki abantu.
we don't eat. We eat each other.
You're so annoying.
I know. Asambe twana.
All
Let's
right.
go home.
It's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _
Welcome Dlamini 88 on Instagram. Welcome Dlamini Facebook. Welcome Dlamini on TikTok. Danko siyabulela.
Danke!
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.